Hello everyone, today I'm going to make kid-size socks. I use only 50 grams of acrylic yarn for the pair. It's much smaller than in our previous video. I put the link above, you can check that out if you want to make that size. Anyway, this stitch I use an alternate single crochet and it's quite tight and so it suits only for kids. You can also make if you have foot size of 35, you can try. Well, anyway, if you made these socks and you like it, please let me know in the comment below and let's get started. To begin, we will do a magic ring, chain 1, and do 12 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have made 12 single crochet, pull this tail of the yarn. And for round 2, we will do a single crochet in the first chain, and mark your first single crochet and increase in the second chain. 2 single crochet in the second chain. Repeat for 18 single crochet. For round 3, we will do a single crochet in the first and second chain, and mark your first single crochet and increase in the third chain for 24 single crochet. For round 4, we will do a single crochet in the first, second, and third chain. Always mark your first chain or single crochet and 2 single crochet on the fourth chain for 30 single crochet. Once you have made 30 single crochet around, we will do a back loop and front loop single crochet. Remove this stitch marker and we will do a back loop only. This one is the back loop, single crochet, and mark your first stitch, and after that we will do a front loop single crochet. We will do again a back loop and front loop single crochet. Do front loop and back loop single crochet around for 30 alternate single crochet around. And we're back to the end of the round. Take note that you always start with back loop single crochet on the stitch marker. And repeat round and round for 18 rounds of back loop and front loop single crochet. That is called alternate single crochet. For me, I always mark or write the numbers after every end of the round. And do round and round of 18 alternate single crochet, and let's meet again to the end of the 18 rounds. And this is our 18 rounds of alternate single crochet. And after this, we will do a 14 single crochet. This is 1, and mark your first single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. After you did the 14 single crochet, do a chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch, so we will do a single crochet on the regular chain. Repeat this round and do a 5 rows. We will make again 3 more rows of 14 single crochet around. Once you made the 5 rows of single crochet, this is what it looked like. And after that, we will fold this row and we will insert this hook on this hole and on the other side of the row, and do a single crochet across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And after that, turn and do a slip stitch across the 7 single crochet. And fold back again these rows. And after, we will do a single crochet on this side corner of the rows. We'll just do a single crochet. This 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the hole on this. You see this hole here in the V? You skip that one, and then on the next. And then single crochet on the following chains. And when you reach to this side, you also skip on the V, on that hole there. Just skip that one and continue single crochet until you reach to the end of the chain. And when you reach to the end, you will have 25 single crochets around. And once you have 25 single crochet around, we will then start with our first alternate single crochet. We will start with the back loop single crochet. This is our first stitch, and then front loop single crochet, and repeat this one, and we have an even number for this round, you always end up with back loop or front loop single crochet because we have 25 single crochets before the end of the round. And repeat this one, and you should do a 15 rounds of alternate single crochet. So we've finished our 15 rounds of uneven alternate single crochet, and after that we will cut the yarn. You see this stitch marker here, remove this stitch marker and just slip stitch on that stitch marker, slip stitch and cut the yarn. And we will hide the extra tail underneath the stitches. And we're done. Notice that we have the different kind of texture on the even number of alternate single crochet and an even number. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, please let me know in the comment below, and see you again next time.